often do you turn your phone off? Do you power it down? Shut it off so that you get rid of some of the glitchiness. I know that I'm just coming back from a vacation and I went through several different time zones, a lot of different areas, and I found that I needed to shut my phone down every once in a while and let it kind of catch up and recalibrate. What if you need that for your body as well? I am Kristin Wood, your favorite body wellness coach, and today I want to talk about how important it is to give your body this refresh. Let your whole system recalibrate. So I'm going to go a little deeper with that. So it helps your phone a ton, and it's going to be amazing for your body. So what I offer is a body reset program, and by following it, you're going to reduce your belly bloat, you're going to gain more energy, you're going to just get back on track if you've fallen off and have some habits that you'd like to get rid of. And the best part is you get to eat real food the whole time. So I know right now it's time for me to start a body reset. That's what's going to happen tomorrow. And it's time for me to let the toxins get out of my body because I've been on vacation. I have not followed all of my normal routines. I have allowed myself to indulge in some different foods and some different drinks. And now it's time to get back to normal, to clean out the toxins and get myself back on track. So maybe it's time for you to do a body reset as well. If you're feeling like you maybe your joints are a little stiffer, you've got some bloating, maybe you tend to gain weight in your belly area and you want to stop that, or you're doing exercise, you're making some food changes and you're just not seeing a shift. A body reset can help that get you over that plateau that we sometimes reach. Maybe you've got headaches or brain fog and just kind of a scattered mind going. Body reset is a good way to get the toxins out that trigger some of those things. You can have clarity on what's working for you and what's not working for you in as little as 14 days. So in the body reset, you've got 2 days that you're going to set yourself up for success by doing the prep work. Then you've got 7 days of clean eating. And at no time in that 7 days should you be hungry. You might be hungry and need to eat, but you're not going to be starved because you get to eat real food the whole time. And I'm going to tell you what foods to eat and what foods not to eat. You're going to be satisfied through those 7 days, and it's possible that you will feel like you actually have more energy because you're eating whole foods. You're eating cleaner than normal, and you might even have the clarity in your mind is going to pick up in those 7 days. So is gaining clarity about what makes you feel good and what makes you feel bad, does that sound of value to you? So I'm starting mine tomorrow. When do you want to start yours? You can start anytime because this program is a do-it-yourself program. You pick the start date that works for you, but you are going to have me in your ear. I'm in the videos and I'm going to be in your emails following up the whole time, trying to hold you accountable for starting and completing. And once you purchase the program, it's yours. You get to do it over and over because you don't just turn your phone off one time and it's good for life. You have to restart it over time. Things happen and you have to restart it, and that's the same way with our body. So you purchase the program and then you do it whenever it fits you, because I know you're like me. You're going to go on vacation. You're going to have different events in life that kind of throw you off your normal plan, and a body reset is a great way to just recalibrate and let everything go back to baseline. do it whenever you want, and you don't always follow the rules, but there's also that we age and our body changes over time. So you are going to have things that work in one season of your life, and the next season, maybe something doesn't agree with you. So a body reset is a great way to figure that out. So I'll drop the link in the comments so that you can check it out and see, is now the time that you're ready to start your reset? Bye-bye.